Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. The ones who garden sometimes buy fertilizers from the market, and also sometimes we make our own organic fertilizers. In our channel, we have already made a lot of homemade fertilizers and also taught you how to make it. So today, we'll be making one more homemade fertilizer. Sometimes in our kitchen pantries or drawers, it is filled with old spices or even expired spices that we don't use anymore. And most of the time we throw them in our dustbin. But if you have some spices that are expired or old and have been sat untouched for a long period of time, don't throw them away. Okay, so I will tell you some tricks on how to make these spices a very good use for your garden. With these spices, you can grow strong and healthy plants. My mom has gotten some expired and old spices that are in no use anymore. She is putting them in a big bucket like this. After that, my mom has diluted it with a lot of water. But it's your choice. If you want, you can directly sprinkle this spice in your soil. And even if you want, you can add it in your composting bin to make a compost. After, my mom has added bioenzyme and is going to keep it idle for 2 to 3 days. Also, after giving bioenzyme, you have to stir it. After 2 to 3 days, you have to stir it and dilute it again. After stirring and diluting, you are free to give it to your plants. Herbs and spices have minerals and vitamins that can be used to help plants grow strong and healthy. If you struggle with fungi in your garden, then this is a great solution to get rid of fungus. Sometimes there are some cats, rats, or some squirrels that destroy our plants. So this is a great solution to get rid of this problem. I hope now you will not throw your expired and old spices and use it in your garden. I hope you also enjoyed this video and learned something new today. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching our video.